So I'm having a little lunch, and 7-Eleven has a mango. Can y'all see it? With tahine. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. They're doing a thing. Look how nice these are. Okay, $3.29. Go get yours. Okay. I never had this. Let's see what this hitting for. Ooh, honey. That's not for me. I'm gonna stick to my pepper, hot sauce, and lemon, and salt. Salt and hot sauce. I'm gonna stick to that. This tahine is not for me, honey. Ooh. Oh God, look. Blow. Who remembers these? Look at these. Make a wish. Make a wish. Look at how many of them. Okay, come on. We got our bubbles. Mommy. And we're going to the water. Yay. Okay, come. You scared? Don't be scared. Mommy's here. Leave my phone alone. Let me get more water. Huh? Coming. Hey guys. Go! Come on, yay! Yay! Good job. I know, he came down. Go ahead. Go around. Don't look at what he doing. Go around. You don't go up the slide like that, okay? That's not the right way. Go ahead. Hi, Chunk. Hi, Chunks. She just ignoring me. Yay! Oh, be careful. Hey. Hey. Whoa. Ah, good job. Yay. No. Stay over here. Because then you're going to get hurt. No, I'm not doing it today. We already talked about this. No. Never. Oh, no. Yay. You like it?
Thank you.
Okay, so as y'all know, I have a toddler and sometimes things get a little crazy, so I had to vacuum. I didn't want y'all to hear that vacuum so long, even though it's like 5 minutes or whatever it is. So I did it twice. I put it in the quarters again, but I didn't feel like recording it. But anyway, guys, this was a weekend vlog, weekend, fun in the sun. We went to the lakes, we went to the park. We was hanging out with our boo. Hey girl. So y'all saw her in the video. And that's about it, guys. Check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, if you like cooking and all your spiritual things and whatnot. I added new things to it. It is in the description box also. And thank you for your super chats. Thank you for your donations to my channel. It all goes to me and my daughter. And we appreciate you so much. Sending y'all love and light. Don't forget to protect your energy and be the reason someone smiles today. But thank you so much for joining us. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you like best? I didn't pump gas in this video, of course, but I'm constantly getting gas, which I still hate. Yes, I hate pumping my own gas. And those mangoes with that tahini, that's not for me, honey. I'm West Indian and I could not take that. Oh, a lot of mercy. I was like, what is this taste in my mouth? It was not tasting good. It tastes like tangy, sour, salty, like pickles. I don't like pickles. Okay, that's a fun fact. I only eat bread and butter pickles, which is the sweet pickles. And when I was pregnant, I did not get cravings for no pickles. I don't know. So I think that's a myth. That's one of them, whatever they call them, myths. But, honey, that's not for me. I'm going to stick to putting my hot sauce and salt on there, and that's it. I think that's like a Mexican thing, really. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But my daughter, she liked it. She was licking on it, but she likes pickles. But, I'm mulatto, but I'm more favor like the black side or the Indian side. She's mulatto. She more favor her white side. So, I'm guessing she likes it because that's just what she likes. So I don't think it's a race thing, but she loves sour stuff. I love sweet stuff. So That's just, you know what I'm saying? How it goes in my household. But anywho, I'm gonna let y'all go. Okay. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing my videos. And for all your IVF needs and information, if you scroll all the way down, I did my IVF journey, and it took me 10 years to have my daughter and my other children. So y'all can check out all the IVF things, the diet that you should do. I'm gonna start doing some more because, as you know, I am doing constantly having treatments and everything because I'm having more children. So I'm preparing my body, getting it ready, and yeah, I will, of course, be vlogging again. But if you go down in my videos to like 2 years ago, because as we know, she's like almost 3. If you go down 2 years, you'll see I did all the injections. I had all the syringes. I had the progesterone shots. I had all the, I forgot the name of it, but I had all of those. I think it's like D something, but I had the needles, the syringes. I mean, damn near everything. And I did it all by myself. So if you think you need a man or you need someone, a spouse or whatever to have a child, you do not. You do not. You could do it, honey. You could do it. Okay. I did it. You could do it too. All right. So, and now enough of that. All right. This time I'm going. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much. Namaste.